If your car engine could breathe like a human, the intake manifold would be its lungs. Many UK drivers hear the term but don't understand what it actually does. Today, we'll explain what an intake manifold is, how it works, common problems, and why it's critical for engine performance. The intake manifold is a component that distributes air evenly to each cylinder in the engine. Air enters through the throttle body and travels through the intake manifold before mixing with fuel. Balanced airflow is essential for proper combustion. Without a functioning intake manifold, engines cannot perform efficiently. When you press the accelerator, the throttle opens. Air flows into the intake manifold. The manifold channels air to each cylinder. Fuel mixes with air for combustion. Some modern engines use variable intake manifolds, which adjust airflow depending on engine speed to improve power and efficiency. UK drivers may face carbon buildup, cracks or leaks, faulty intake runner valves, gasket failures. These issues lead to rough idling, loss of power, poor fuel economy, and warning lights. Common symptoms include engine hesitation, reduced acceleration, increased fuel consumption, rough idle, check engine light. Low-quality intake parts can crack under heat, leak air, cause inconsistent airflow. OEM quality aftermarket intake manifolds are designed to handle pressure, heat, and long-term use. D2P Auto Parts supplies OEM quality aftermarket intake manifolds and related engine components across the UK through Amazon, eBay, Autodoc, and its own website. With fast UK delivery, strong customer support, and a trusted reputation, D2P helps drivers maintain engine performance with confidence. Check the D2P Auto Parts link in the description. Subscribe for more UK car part explanations. Good airflow means good performance, and it starts with the intake manifold.